Good day, I'm Arlene Introva from BAT 4A. So, today I will going to discuss the frequency distribution and measures of central tendency. The first question are construct a frequency distribution with suitable class interval size of the yield of rice, sacks per hectare, obtained by selected rice farmers last cropping season in this municipality. Include columns for class boundaries, midpoint, frequency, cumulative percentage, and relative frequency. The second question are determine the mean, median, and mode of the frequency distribution you have construct in question number 1. So, this is the yield of rice sacks per hectares obtained by selected rice farmers last cropping season in this municipality. So, mao ni ang mga kuan sa sacks per hectare sa rice. So, diri na siya ay frequency distribution table. So, una is na siya ay class limits interval. So, natay class limit intervals nga 75 to 84, 85 to 94, 95 to 104, 105 to 114, 115 to 124, o 125 to 134. The midpoint of 75 to 84 are 79.5. Then diri is 89.5. Then diri pod 99.5, 109.5, 119.5, 129.5. So, ang frequency nila is, ano siya ang 3, 5, 10, 7, 3 of 2. So, the CP nila is, ang 3 of 5 plus equals 8. Then, ang 8 plus 10 are 18. 18 plus 7, 25. Then, 25 plus 3, 28. 28 plus 2 are 30. So, dito sa CP percent niya is, di-copy ang 3, divided 30 times 100 are 10%. So, 8 divided 30 times 100, 26.67%. 18 divided 30 times 100 equals 60%. 25 divided 30 times 100 equals 83.33%. 28 divided 30 times 100 equals 93.33%. 30 divided 30 times 100 equals 100%. Sa CP niya is 27, 22, 12, 5, 2, 0, 0. Sa CP percent niya is i-divide na po din ang 27 divided 30, i-times na po 100 equals 90%. 22 divided 30, i-times na po 100, 73.33%. The 12 divided 30 times 100 equals 40%. 5 divided 30 times 100 equals 16.67%. 2 divided 30 times 100 equals 6.67%. 0 divided 30 times 100 equals 0%. So, RF, sa RF niya is, na siya i-divide na bundin mo ang 3 divided with 30 times 100 na po, na siya 10%. Sa 5 divided 30, i-times na po 100, na siya 16.67%. Sa 10 divided 30, i-times na po 100, 33.33%. Sa 7, i-divide na po 30, i-times na po 100, equals 23.33%. Sa 3, i-divide na po 30, i-times na po 100, equals 10%. Sa ang 2, i-divide na po 30, i-times 100, equals 6.67%. Ito bang itawag na po is ang mean of median of mode niya. So, ang mean niya is 3, 79.5 plus, then 5, 89.5 plus 10, 99.5 plus 7, then 109.5 plus 3, 119.5 plus 2, na siya ay 129.5, o divide 30, ang mean niya is 101.8. So, ang median na po na to is 95 plus 15 minus 8, divide 10, i-times na po 10, na ang median niya is 102. Sa mode na po is, the mode is the value that occurs most frequently in the data set. In this case, the mode is 104 as it occurs 10 times in the data set. So therefore, the mean, median, and mode of frequency distribution are 108, 102, and 104 respectively. Thank you and God bless.